In this video, I'm going to show you how to set an out-of-office message in Microsoft Outlook. Let's open the Outlook app. Suppose you need to add an out-of-office message for this account. It comes in quite handy when you need to let others know that you are on holiday or vacation if someone messages or emails you during that time period. In the title bar, click on File. Here in the Info tab, you can see an option called Automatic Replies. Click on it. A pop-up menu should appear on your display. In the pop-up, turn on the Send Automatic Replies option. Click on Only Send During This Time Range option. By this, your message will only be sent within your selected time range. Now select your time range. In my case, I will select the next weekend. Now, in the text box, type your reply message. Click on OK. We have successfully added an out-of-office message for Outlook. Now, Outlook will automatically reply to the people who email you during that time period.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.